Hey y'all, Ipsy unboxing time. This month's theme is Enter Your Soft Era. I have the glam bag, which is this guy. This bag will cost $14 a month. The products can be worth up to $70. You get to choose one out of the 5 products you get. It's like full. Usually it's just a small bag at the bottom of it, but there must be a palette or something. Oh no, there's something. Okay, a little beauty blender. It's a beauty sponge from Pink Bee Beauty. So cute. Just a little sponge. I love sponge. Look how cute. My current favorite sponges to use are these little ghosts that I found online. You can get them in a pack of 3 and they're so cute. There she is. And it has the logo on it, which I'm sure I can't. There you go. You can kind of see it. Then, oh, this bag is so cute. Another Enter Your Soft Era. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. First thing, this is Juliet Has a Gun, Ode to Dullness. And then this is a perfume. I'm gonna use this like it's a spray card. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. What is it? Cashmere flower, sandalwood, and tonka bean. Very, very nice. Love that. Next, we have a little palette. It is from Pink Lips Fall Sweet Fall Mini Eyeshadow Palette. That's so cute. Okay, and then we have Saturday Skin. Is it a brightening eye cream? Finally, for this one is, ooh, Pixie Eye Define Waterline in the shade Black. It's a water-resistant inner rim liner. I love Pixies. This is the second size box. It is $30 a month. The products can add up to $200, and you get to choose 3 out of the 5 products you get. First, Ren Skincare. It is a moisturizer replenish cream. JLo Beauty That Star Filter. Okay, so I believe this is like a primer. It helps your skin be dewy and have like a nice little glow at the end. It is highlight, bronze, and diffuse. Okay, Mineral Baked Blush. And this one is in the shade Vogue. So pretty. Defiance Beauty. It is a luminous liquid in the shade Empower. I say that so oddly. I don't know why I said that so weirdly. Oh, how pretty is that? That's so freaking pretty. I think packaging like this is just so cute. It's so simple. It's just, I don't know. I like when you can see the color of the lipstick, because otherwise you gotta open and swatch everything. Toy Factory Oat Milk Makeup Remover. Okay, y'all, that was everything that I got from Ipsy for the September box. In my bio, you can click on my link, and it will give you guys 20% off, I believe, right now. I'll put all the information in the link and on my page description, and it will be underneath codes and whatnot. Yeah, thank y'all for watching. Bye.